Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the new AI image model Nano Banana in Gemini application for free to restore your old photos. So if you have this kind of old damaged photos, this can be any type of photo, a family photo, or it can be any place or object. You can restore this type of photo like today, like it was taken by today's with a digital camera. So I'm just going to upload that photo. So just to do is go to this tools option and select this create images and go to this add files and upload the damaged photo. And here you have to give a prompt here. So I'm just going to give this simple prompt: restore this old photo like it was taken today with high resolution camera. You just need this prompt to restore any type of damaged photo. So I'm just going to click submit, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds here, and after that you see this photo is going to be restored, and it will maybe colorize it or restore this photo fully. And here's the result. As we can see, this is the photo. So this is the damaged photo. As you can see, this is very low quality, and as you can see, so much wrinkle and damaged. And this is the photo that restored, which is looking pretty good, and also it remains the face and it's remove all the damage and wrinkle from here, and it's really look like it's taken by today's camera, like a digital camera. And if you want to download it, just click on download and it will be downloaded on your device. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. This is very easy and this is totally free to use. You can restore any type of damaged photo in Gemini with using the Google Nano Banana. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.